The way that I felt about Dr. Boldridge was that she had the best bedside manners. They wanted to make sure that I was comfortable with the ideas and the thoughts as to what they were sharing with me on what would be my oral health journey. Hi, I'm Linda DeCure, and I've been a patient of Dr. Boldridge since January of 2025. My first experience coming to visit Dr. Boldridge and her team from the moment I walked in the door and I introduced myself, they knew who I was here. They just told me to have a seat for a minute. And so the dental assistant then came out and offered me water, offered me blankets and everything, and then walked me through the process of what was going to happen. Anyone that I talk to that's looking for a dentist, the first thing I do is talk about Dr. Eva Boldridge. Eva is an individual that speaks to you and listens to you.